Welcome. If you want to block ads on your Doogee X80, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and you have to get the application to block the ads, and we are going to use the Opera Mini browser. Oh, there was some kind of the issue with my keyboard, so let's type it one more time, the Opera Mini, and you have to get this application. When you have it, just open it. Right now we have to click right here, and as you can see, ad blocking is disabled, so we have to click it one more time. And right now our ad block is enabled, so we can enter the website, maybe this one. And as you can see in the upper section of the screen, in the URL address, we get the notifications that the first ads were blocked. And when we click right here, we'll see how many ads were blocked. We got currently the 14 ads blocked, and right now when we scroll down the page, we cannot find here any ads. And it's thanks to the partnership with the Adblock Plus. They got built-in Adblock to the Opera Mini. So that's how you can block the ads on the smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.